Creating a Solana meme coin that is over 500,000 market cap has never been easy like the one I'm going to be teaching you right here on this video. Yeah, I know the title of the video said how I created $50,000 market cap Solana meme coin totally free. No, the market cap didn't get up to that, but on this video I'll be showing you how you can be able to create a Solana meme coin and raise it to any market cap of your choice totally free, no cost, no task, no risk involved. You can create over 100,000 or a million Solana meme coin through this way that I'm going to be teaching you right here on this video. And guess what? It is totally free, no task, and you can do everything under just 5 minutes. All right, so watch the video to the end, do not skip any part, and please share this video to someone out there so that they can be able to learn this strategy and be able to apply it at their own end and make money for themselves. This Solana meme coin that we are going to be creating right here on this video is going to be tradable on all financial markets. I'm going to be teaching you what you need to do and how you need to do it in order for you to create this token successfully using your phone or laptop or whatever. The necessary thing that is required is just your phone or laptop and an internet connection. That is all that is needed for you to create this Solana meme coin under just 5 minutes. So do well to watch the video to the end, do not skip any part. Let's now dive into it and learn this new strategy of launching meme coin under just 5 minutes without risking anything. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to use the link right there on the video description box to actually get yourself to this website called coinbook.fun, or you can just copy the link and open it inside your Phantom wallet or any Solana based wallet. All right, so over here there are a lot of features on this website, and this website actually made it possible for us to be able to create Solana meme coin under less than 5 minutes, and this meme coin is tradable on all financial markets. So right now, pay close attention to the video, do not skip any part so that you'll be able to understand everything properly before you can be able to apply it at your own end. So the first thing you need to do is to first of all connect your wallet, and over here guys, I have my Phantom wallet right here. I have about $2.6 worth of Phantom token, or sorry, Solana right here, and that $2 worth of Solana that I have right here is just for me to use and cover the necessary gas fees. So you are only going to be paying for the gas fee, and you know the gas fee is sometimes it's way less than $0.01, way less. So it is negligible. It doesn't mean you are paying anything to create or launch your token. So over here guys, you need to connect your wallet first. So you click over here on connect, you select the available wallet. I will be selecting my Phantom wallet, and right now it takes about just 2 seconds for it to pop up. And right now guys, I need to click on this and then click on connect, and immediately my wallet is going to be connected. Next, I'm going to be prompted to actually sign the signature showing that I'm the owner of the wallet. I will click on confirm, and right there I'm done. All right, so the next thing you need to do is to set up your profile. So you click over here on profile right now. Over here guys, you need to set up your name, and of course this is your referral link. There's something very special about the referral, but I'm gonna be telling you guys right now. So right now I'll be setting up my profile right now. Immediately I will click on edit, and right now I need to upload an image, put my username, and then put bio, and I'll be good to go. And right now immediately I'm done updating my profile right here, so it will be prompting up right here in just a bit. So the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and of course click over here that we have launch right here. You click on launch, and over here guys, what is required for you to be able to launch a token is just put your token name, token symbol, token description, and of course put an image, and that way you are done. It is as simple as that. So right now we are going to be creating a token right now. I'll be naming the token okay, I'll be naming it after you guys, and boom, immediately I have just filled out everything right here. So the most important one right here is of course the name, which I've gave it as a crypto mechanic fans, and of course the token symbol is CMF, meaning crypto mechanic fans. And of course this description is not really important, so you can just put anything, but just make it it should make sense. And of course I've put the image that represents us, so I will click on launch right now, and over here right now they are going to be showing you this saying choose how many CMF you want to buy, and this is totally totally optional. Right now, pay close attention. I will explain this to you right now. So this is actually, they are trying to give you the chance for you to buy your token before any other person out there, because you know, once you launch your token, people can easily snipe it. Like, they can be the first person to buy it, and you know, if they are the first person to buy your token, it means they are buying it at the cheapest price ever. But over here, they are now giving you the chance to buy your token before the token goes live. All right, so if you want to buy your token before any other person, this is where you buy it, and if you don't want, you can just leave it and then click on launch token. So according to the title of the video, I said I'm going to be creating this token totally free. So I'm going to be launching the token without buying any of them, so that you see that it works. Okay, so right now I will go ahead and click on launch tokens. Right now, guys, you can see it is uploading metadata. Right now, guys, you can see token created successfully. Right now, immediately you are going to be brought to this page showing the chart of your token. So over here, guys, you can see it says no data here. This is because nobody has bought the token yet, and there's nothing to show right here. So if you want to be buying this token, it is very simple. So right now, guys, you can see just like this, you have launched your own token. Just like this, you have totally launched your own token. And over here, guys, you can see this is the total amount that I have right here, over 1 billion, I think. This is over 1 billion pieces right here, and just like this, you have launched your own token. So the biggest question now is, how do you get your token into the financial market? How do you get it exposed to, you know, everyone to trade it? So the first way that you can actually do that is by, you know, getting to share the information about this. You click on this share right here, and once you click on share, you can share it to Twitter. Just, you know, promote it yourself so that people can come over here and buy it. And right now, guys, the question that I need you to understand the answer to right now is if this token can be bought on platforms like JupeSwap and other Solana based exchanges. The answer to that is no, it cannot be traded on other markets. And here is the reason why it cannot be traded on other markets is because you haven't reached the what do they call it? There's what we call bonding curve. So that bonding curve, I'll be explaining it on the next video that I'll be sharing concerning this. So your bonding curve needs to reach the maximum limit before you can be able to before they can automatically, you know, make your token tradable on so many exchanges. But currently, after creating your token just like this one, then it can only be traded right here on the coinbook.fund. So right now, let's go to homepage. Let me show you something real quick. So over here right now, if you sort by time of creation, let me show you something. Okay, creation time right now, you see that our token is going to be appearing right here. You can see it right here. This is our token right here with the market cap of over 5k. So this is just, you know, they added it themselves, not actually us. So this is how you create it under just 5 minutes. So over here right now, this is all you need to know concerning this this token, how you can be able to do some stuff on it. And remember, more information about this is going to be brought out soon, so just watch out, because I'll be introducing you guys to the bonding curve, just like I said earlier, so that you can be able to, you know, get some bonding curve progression to the fullest, and by then the token is then going to be tradable on so many exchanges outside Coinbook.fund. All right, so if you have any Solana Memecoin idea, or if you have any idea of creating a token, this is the best way to actually get it done, because through this way you can create it totally free, and most importantly, you can get everything done totally free without risking anything. So if you create about 100 tokens, or maybe 50, 20, one of them could potentially skyrocket, and a lot of people will troop in, buy it, and the more people buy it, the more it progresses, your bonding curve progresses. So more about this bonding curve will be explained on the later video. All right, so right now let me show you guys something real quick. So coming over here to Referral, over here on Referral, you actually get 30% of all the trading fees generated from the people that you refer, whether they trade or they buy token or they create token, whatever they do right here, you are entitled to 30% of their fee for eternity. All right, so this is basically how you know how you do it. And this is a great way to actually make money right here in the crypto space. Imagine if you invite someone that creates tokens regularly, and of course, you know, the money will be just coming into your account without any hassle. All right, so remember, the link is going to be right there on the video description for everything. Remember to use my own link, and more update concerning this is going to be shared soon. This is just like an introduction video about how you can create your Solana tokens absolutely free without having to risk anything. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and more video about this is going to be shared on the next video that I'll be sharing very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, do have a lovely day and always take actions.